this video will guide you to how to install Aptos CLI on your system and also how to use Remix-ide for writing modules and deploying it on Aptos blockchain. Now let's follow this setup tutorial document step by step. Now for installing IDE, first of all we need a Vscode code editor like Vscode. Now version of this can be this or above. So for Vscode, you can just simply get it by following this link. Now, according to your system, either it is Windows or Linux or Mac, you can download it accordingly. Now, after installation of VS Code, we will need a move analyzer. Basically, this is for your code highlighting and these kind of things. Quite important for move language. You can get it from here, or you can directly search it on this extension search bar. You simply write move analyzer. Yeah, this one. You can see I've already installed it, and after that what we need is Aptos CLI. This is the main thing that we require for installation, for compiling move code, and also for deploying it on Aptos blockchain. So how to install Aptos CLI? Just simply follow this link. Now in this link we will see options. For Mac, the option is we can install it using brew. Just update your brew and installed Aptos by simply running this command. After you have installed, you can check it by writing Aptos help. And for Windows and Linux, you can follow this. Just simply install Python on your system, and then you can follow. Just simply write this command, and your Aptos CLI will be get installed. Now again, you can just simply easily check your version or update your Aptos CLI using this command, Aptos update. So next thing is you can also just simply build Aptos CLI from source code, but this is kind of a tough option. You can just simply choose this option, just simply write one command and your Aptos CLI will get installed. Now moving on, okay, now I have installed Aptos CLI and you can also check it by writing uh, this command on your terminal. You will see this 2.1.1. This is the latest version of Aptos CLI. Now after this, so now we have installed Aptos CLI. Now how to write code in Move language and how to test, compile and deploy it. So for that, again follow this document step by step. First of all, we need to create a folder structure, something like this. So these are the important thing to notice, that this is the name of the project. Let's say Move project. Then there is a sources folder in this Move project. Okay, so in this sources folder, there is first.move file. You can name this file anything. .move is for Move language file extension name. Now, first.move, we will write our Move language code. And this is move.tml file. Basically very important, used to this include various important dependency like Aptos framework and also addresses that we will use in our code. Okay, so now we have installed Aptos CLI. So now test our code. I have created a empty folder named Aptos project and I have opened this folder on VS Code. So first of all, let's create move.tml file. Move.tml. So now I have made this move.tml file. After that, I will create a folder, sources folder. In this sources folder, I will make a file first.move. Yeah. So now for testing purpose, just copy paste this code, example code, paste it here, and first.move. Now for move.tml, just copy paste this. Now, how to compile and how to test the code. For that, we need some commands. Now, first of all, I want you to write Aptos move on your terminal and press enter. You will see all the commands related to how to compile, how to, you know, prove your contract, how to run your contract module, and how to test your the test that you have written, and also how to deploy it on Aptos blockchain, this publish one. Okay, so now we know the various command. Now let's run this. First of all, let's compile it. Move compile. It will include some important dependency that we have right in move.tml file. You can see this one. Now after that, it will get compiled. You can see the result. It get compiled successfully. Now after that, we have also write a little small test case in our example to basically check this sample function. And what does this sample function does? It just simply print 1 2 3 4 5. So we have created this function. Now, okay, so let's run this test. You can see the output 1 2 3 4 5 and the result. You can see there was one test case and that passed, and result is success. So it means we have installed Aptos CLI, and also now we can write our code. We can do all the things. We can make DFs, we can make NFT and deploy our contract on Aptos blockchain. Now, if you get any error in this installation part, you can raise the query on Move Developers DAO Discord. It's an active community of Move developers. So basically, we will help you out to resolve your error. So after that, now some people don't want to install Aptos CLI on their system. So what they can do is simply use Remix-ide like we do in Solidity. We can just simply write our code, and we can, by singly pressing a button, we can deploy it on Aptos blockchain. So how to do that? For that, open Remix IDE, and on Remix IDE, click on this plugin option and search this plugin, Code by Welldone Studio. You can see the suggestion, Code by Welldone Studio. Activate this. Now this get activated. Click here. Now choose this Aptos. Now before moving on to this remix part, we can see we need a wallet, either Petra or Welldone. Now for now, Petra is not spotted, so we have to install Welldone wallet. I will provide the link in the description of installation of this Welldone wallet. Now after you have successfully installed Welldone wallet, you will open this. And for right now, for test this network, you can choose either DevNet or testnet, because in mainnet you required actual Aptos token. But for learning purpose, we will only need this testnet and DevNet. So I choose testnet. Now these are the various account for our purpose. Let's choose this MDT test 3. Now these are the account that I have created for my own use case. So you can accordingly name your account accordingly yourself. Now moving on. Now right now it has 0 Aptos. So how to add Aptos to this account? So what we can do is click on this faucet button and request faucet. So what this will do is simply add one Aptos coin on your account. You can see I get now one Aptos coin. Now before moving on, go to setting, and this developer option should be on. Otherwise you not be able to connect this Welldone wallet to your Remix IDE. So this is important, on this developer button, and now you can simply connect your Welldone wallet. You can see this is the Welldone wallet, and yeah. Sorry. So you can see 0x9A1. This is the account that is correct, connected. This is the balance. This is the one Aptos coin representation. And let's make a project. Mm, let's name it Aptos project. So you can click accept. Now in all these project, you can choose this Aptos project because the target project should be the one that you are currently working on. So I have choose this Aptos project. Now here in this file icon, click it and all your Aptos code will be present, or file structure of folders will be present in this Aptos folder. So you can see these are my all the previous projects, but for now uh, I have created the Aptos project, this one. You can see that they have automatically given us sources folder as well as move.tml file. This is empty. So what we will do is just simply add this to our system, to our file. And for sources, let's create a new file. First.move. You can name the file anything. Okay. So let's see. Now for again copy paste this. Now we will deploy this code on Aptos blockchain. So for that, just simply remove this, write this as public. Now for code, you don't have to worry about uh, the code right now. Just simply copy paste this code and learn how to basically deploy the contract on Aptos blockchain using Remix-ide. Okay, so we will simply return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This function return U64. You need this. So let's deploy this function on Aptos blockchain. Now, before that, we have created a move.tml file. As I told earlier, in this we include our addresses, the important addresses that we use. So in our case, we have used this address. So I will copy paste this because my module will get deployed on this address on Aptos blockchain. So this is the address. Now again, this is my first.move file. Okay, this is my address that is on move.tml file, this one, and this is my contract that I will deploy it right now. So click on this icon, the Welldone icon. Now uh, again recheck what is your target project. In our case it Aptos project. Now first of all we will click this compile button. You can see it gets successfully compiled. Now after compilation we will deploy it. Again accept. Now we will deploy this contract. Now for deploying a contract, we need some transaction fee. The Aptos will ask you some transaction fee. So again, confirm this. Okay, transaction get submitted. You can see this is a transaction hash. I will close this. So now I have deployed my contract on modules. You can see this is the sample module. Select the sample module and this is our sample function that we are going to run right now. So let's click on this sample function. You can see I am getting the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for this is all for this video. We have seen how to uh, install Aptos CLI and how to write code on your system in Vscode. And also we have seen like how to deploy a contract using Remix IDE. Now for this tutorial, you can follow either, but I will recommend just use Remix IDE. Simply write your code and learn and deploy it on Aptos blockchain. Thank you.